Why is my car over-revving when accelerating? Easy fix. Over-revving when accelerating can be caused by several issues, including problems with the throttle body, transmission, or sensors like the MAF or TPS. A slipping clutch, in manual transmissions, or a faulty torque converter, in automatic transmissions, can also lead to over-revving without proper acceleration. Additionally, vacuum leaks, clogged air filters, and dirty fuel injectors can disrupt the air-fuel mixture, causing the engine to over-rev. Possible causes: transmission issues. A worn clutch disc in manual transmissions can slip, causing the engine to rev high without proper power transfer. In automatic transmissions, a faulty torque converter can slip, leading to high revs and delayed acceleration. Low or dirty transmission fluid can cause the transmission to slip, resulting in over-revving. Engine problems. A dirty or malfunctioning throttle body can restrict airflow, causing the engine to over-rev. Leaks in the vacuum system can cause an incorrect air-fuel mixture, leading to higher RPMs. A faulty mass airflow sensor can mismeasure the air entering the engine, affecting the air-fuel mixture and causing over-revving. A malfunctioning throttle position sensor can send incorrect signals to the engine control unit, leading to improper acceleration and over-revving. A clogged air filter restricts airflow, which the engine compensates for by increasing RPMs. Clogged fuel injectors can reduce fuel delivery, causing the engine to struggle and potentially over-rev to compensate. Other. Faulty spark plugs. Faulty spark plugs can disrupt the combustion process, potentially causing the engine to over-rev. Idle speed control valve. A malfunctioning idle speed control valve can cause erratic idling and over-revving. Troubleshooting and solutions. Check transmission fluid. Ensure the transmission fluid is at the correct level and in good condition. Inspect clutch. If manual, check for clutch slippage. Examine vacuum hoses. Look for any leaks or damage in the vacuum hoses. Clean or replace air filter. Replace a clogged air filter to ensure proper airflow. Inspect throttle body. Clean or replace the throttle body if necessary. Check sensors. Ensure the MAF and TPS sensors are functioning correctly. If the problem persists, consult a mechanic for diagnosis and repair. A car that is over-revving when accelerating can be a sign of a serious problem. It is important to address the issue promptly to prevent further damage.